Today we're working on a Genie Universal Series GU4TG2-R garage door remote. This is a compact 4-button universal Genie remote, and in this video we're going to show you how to open it, replace the battery, put it back together, and test it before you use it again. First, if your remote has the keychain string attached, remove the keychain string so it is not in the way while you're working. Next, remove the sliding plastic remote clip from the back. This piece has the visor clip attached to it, and we're going to use that clip later to help open the remote. Once the clip is removed, look at the back of the remote. You should now see a small screw. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw, and make sure you keep it somewhere safe so it doesn't get lost. Now take the visor clip and use it to help separate the remote into two halves. Look along the side of the remote for the small groove in the plastic. Insert the edge of the clip into the groove, then use a gentle twist method until the remote starts to unlock. Once the case is open, separate the two halves and carefully pick up the board. Flip the board over and you should spot the battery right away. This remote uses a CR2032 button battery. The battery may be sitting snug in the compartment, so you can use the visor clip to gently slide the old battery out. Install the new CR2032 battery in the same direction and make sure it is centered properly in the compartment. Now we can start reassembling the remote. Place the circuit board back into the front housing, making sure the buttons line up correctly. Then place the back plate over the remote and press the two halves together. Once the case is back together, reinstall the screw on the back. Do not over-tighten it, just snug is enough. After that, slide the plastic visor clip piece back onto the remote. If you remove the keychain string at the beginning, reinstall it now. Now test the remote. Press the buttons and check that the indicator light comes on. If the light turns on, the battery replacement is complete. That's it for the Genie Universal Series GU4TG2-R battery replacement. Thanks for watching, and stick around if you want to see some of the instructions that came in the box. You can pause the video at any point to read them.